shiny, but that's moisturization, honey. Okay, moisturization. So it's a new day, as you can see. So I'm just sitting on the floor again. I'm still organizing. I just wanted to show you guys so far. I got my lash drawer down here. I'm working with like whatever containers I have right now, like these containers I get at the Dollar Tree. So whatever I have at the moment is what I'm gonna use, and then if I feel like I need to go purchase more, I'll definitely do that. But I'm just gonna, you know, just organize everything right now to just get it that way. So let me show you my lash drawer. So I've definitely downsized. I used to have a much like larger lash collection, and then like the majority of the lashes I do get are for clients. So you know, these are mine here. Those are like all individuals. I just take them out of the plastic to save some space. And then here I have like individual lashes, some more back there, here, some tools. Yeah, so that's gonna be that drawer for the moment. I need to go get some eyelash glue and stuff. I don't have any right now, ran out. So that's gonna go in here also. And then up here, I'm thinking I'm going to keep this like this. So these are some primers I am currently using. Mind you, prior to this, I decluttered a lot, threw away a lot. So real quick, before my battery dies, these right here are just some like concealers, some BB creams, some highlights in the middle, concealers. Again, I just downsized everything. So this I'm gonna put here with the primers, and then I'll see what else I put here, but that's gonna be that. So just simple, I downsized. So now I have less, but things that I'm gonna be possibly using a lot more. So it's like the middle of the day. Both the kids are sleeping right now, so that's why I'm kind of whispering. So I have some time on my hands to be a little crafty, so that's what we're doing. I want to show you guys the paint that I'm using. This is acrylic paint. I purchased this at Walmart for like $2 something, like $3. This is in the color Elephant, and it is that. It's like an elephant gray. It's a matte finish, no prep, and it's like a chalk finish too. So the brand is called Waverly. That's what it looks like. So I decided to go ahead and paint these here. So these are the signs I got from Burlington. So as you can see, like this black finish. So I decided to paint it. So that's what it looks like painted. So I decided to, hold on, you guys are gonna crooked. So I decided to do this because I do like them, but then I'm like, they're black, so it kind of throws off the theme and colors of my house. My house is like gray, white, cream color. Well, I'm slowly transitioning to that. So like my curtains and everything is following that pattern. We're gonna redo the floors in the house, and it's gonna, you know, just all kind of tie in together. And it's also like, I want to say rustic glam is what I'm going for, a rustic glam theme. So since everything is pretty much gray and stuff like that, I didn't want the black to just throw it all off, so I decided to just paint it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, so here they are. I actually like them a lot better than black. I think they work a lot better. Now, my wall is like a beige color, like almost like that towel kind of. Just a little bit lighter, but it looks gray on camera. Now, I'm not sure if we're gonna paint this white or like a light wash of gray. I'm not sure yet, but definitely it looks so much better than what it was gonna look like if it was black. So there they are, super cute. Okay, this video is like choppy all over the place. It's another day. I actually just came back from Walmart, so I wanted to show you guys what I got because I'm gonna be doing like a decorate with me, like decorate my Christmas tree and stuff like that. So I want to show you guys what I got because I'm just getting things little by little. This year I'm doing a different color. I think like the previous year, well, last year I did a red Christmas tree. If I do have a picture, I'll put it here. If not, yeah, so it was a red and white Christmas tree. The previous year I used my green Christmas tree, and it was like a red gold kind of rustic kind of a vibe. And this year I'm the only girl in my house, the only female, even the dog is a boy. So I decided to do something for me, represent the girls. So I'm going to be doing a pink Christmas tree, like a rose gold kind of pink Christmas tree. I don't know if I'm going to do silver and gold or like a different shade of pink or whatnot. We haven't gotten there yet, but I saw these balls. They were like the last ones up on a shelf, so we had to climb and get them. So that's what we did. So I just want to show you guys what I got. It's also one of their Black Friday sales, so I did get some things, but majority of them are gifts, so I'm not going to show them to you. But one of the things that were on sale for Black Friday is this right here, and this is from Rubbermaid, and this is 38 pieces, and these are just, you know, bowls like to save leftovers or, you know, to travel with or whatever. I usually replace these like every year or so, just depending on like how yucky they get. So just depending on how yucky they get. So this is 38 pieces, and this was $6.75 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was super cheap. So like $7 for this 38 pieces. You definitely can't go wrong. So I picked up this, and this doesn't match my kitchen per se, but again, this, you know, goes in a cabinet. We don't really see it. So for like $7 you can't go wrong. So for both of my boys, you know, this is like pegao, what we like to say is like in style. So I got them this Baby Yoda shirt, super cute. So this is for my little one, and these were like $4.75, $5 each, and then this is for the big one. So I just thought they were super cute, so they're gonna be twinning. In the clearance section, I found these, so I picked up a few. I thought they were super cute. I want to start using like accessories in my hair, so these were $2 each. So the first one I got is this right here, and super pretty, just clear with like some glitter, and then it comes with this hair tie. So I thought this was super cute. I don't have nothing like this, so this is super cute. So again, $2. Then I picked up this one, which is another one with like glitter. It's just like a darker. And then this is the hair tie that came with it. And then the next one I love because it's also like full appropriate. So there's this one, and then this is the hair tie that comes with it. I feel like they kind of like matched it wrong. Like this should have been with this, you know, but whatever. So I got these three, $2 a piece. The next thing I wanted to show you guys was this set right here. This was part of their Black Friday sale. So this is a 2-piece active set, and I got it in size medium. So it comes with a like sweater and leggings. Like I mentioned previously in my last vlog, I'm going to be doing like some fitness videos and all that type of things. So anything that's like legging, workout appropriate, I'm like, I want it. So that's what I've been doing. So for $12 you can't go wrong. Basically $6 a piece. Not too bad, not too bad. And this brand right here from Walmart is really good. I have a lot of their stuff, so this is really good. Especially, come on, I mean, you're just gonna sweat in it, so really good quality, really affordable. So this was $12. Now for my Christmas tree, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a pink Christmas tree. I'm not sure if it's going to be like pink and gold, pink and silver, pink and white. I'm going to use my white Christmas tree this year again, not my green one. So, you know, it's gonna look really nice. So I grabbed these balls to start off with. So I hope the lighting is picking it up. I just have like the ceiling light. So this was 26 ornaments for $4.98. I think it's super pretty. So I got 2 of them. So that should be well enough. And if I'm gonna use like gold or silver, then yeah, I really like to make my tree like look super full. So I decorate all around it. So we're gonna be doing pink this year. I'm super excited. And then, you know, it has to be extra bougie. So I got matching wrapping paper. So this is the first one I got. So it just has like some trees on it. Super cute, super pretty. And then the next one I fell in love. This just has like mistletoes. That's what it looks like, kind of, sort of. And it's just white with like the pinky rose gold. So they honestly match perfectly with it. So I'm super excited. So that's what I got from Walmart. Before I like put everything away and start like the whole decorating with me video, I wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, the next time you see me, it'll be a different day. Just letting you know.